Have you been looking for a beginner's guide to gouache? Are you intrigued by the medium but found it challenging to learn on your own? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to Gouache Basics, exploring illustration and painting techniques. I'm Ann Shen, and I'm an illustrator and author based in Los Angeles. I've been working in the industry for over 10 years, and I've worked with clients like Disney, Adobe, Facebook, Papyrus, and Jenny's Splendid Ice Creams. My paintings have been exhibited at Disney's Wonderground Gallery, Gallery Nucleus, Giant Robot, and more. I've also written and illustrated 4 best-selling books: Bad Girls Throughout History, Legendary Ladies, Nevertheless She Wore It, and Revolutionary Women. And many of those books I painted in gouache. I'm excited to share my love of painting with you. I believe we're all inherently creative beings and we need to express ourselves in some ways, so I created this class to help you learn about painting with my favorite medium, gouache. What is gouache? Gouache is an opaque watercolor medium used for painting. The benefits of gouache is that it has a unique, matte, velvet-like finish. That makes it easy for reproducing via scanning or photographs. Because of this, it was really popular with mid-century concept artists and advertising illustrators, like some of my favorites, Mary Blair and Ivan Earl. Learning how to use gouache is tricky, but extremely rewarding once you get the hang of it. So I created this class with 5 fun, easy, meditative exercises that will build on each other to help you get a handle on your gouache techniques. And then we'll take those techniques and create a lovely skyscape painting at the end. My hope with this class is that you'll come away with the necessary skills and confidence to be mastering gouache in no time.